Hello, my lovely human out there. You've seen it in countless movies. After sex, one partner leans back against the headboard, lights a cigarette and asks, "So, how was it for you?" Meanwhile, the other might roll over immediately, drift off to sleep, or maybe even want to cuddle and chat about life. But have you ever wondered why one person is ready to talk while the other is already snoring? That's what we're breaking down today. What happens to both men and women when the passion peaks? First, let's explore what happens for men. At some point during sex, guys reach what scientists call the point of no return. Heart rate and blood pressure rise, muscles tighten, and sperm are released. After that, the body shifts back into recovery mode, often quicker than it does for women. This is why the penis goes soft and why men usually need some time before round 2. The length of that resting gap, called the recharge period, depends on age, health, and yes, the desire to jump back in. Some men fall asleep right after, but don't take it personally. Science says it's natural. Why? Brain chemistry. When men orgasm, their brains release a mix of chemicals like serotonin, oxytocin, prolactin, and nitric oxide. These bring relaxation and even a sleepy effect. Think of it as nature's way of giving you a nap. Some even compare it to a hit of morphine. Prolactin, especially, plays a big role. The higher the release, the more satisfied he feels, and the more likely he is to roll over and snore. Sometimes men also feel the sudden urge to pee. That's because those same hormones affect the kidneys. Plus, the body may want to flush out bacteria from the urethra. But right after ejaculation, the bladder is temporarily shut off by a muscle, which can make peeing tricky. Other after effects? A sore or sensitive penis, temporarily smaller testicles, thanks to muscle contractions, or even that random toe cramp triggered by nerves in the spine. And yes, mood swings. The dopamine rush of orgasm can leave some men feeling emotionally flat afterward, like coming down from a high. Next, let's look at what happens with women. Unlike men, women don't always orgasm. Studies show that about 20% of women rarely orgasm from sex, around 20% orgasm consistently, and half are somewhere in between. When it does happen though, it's different from men's one big release. Women experience rhythmic waves of muscle contractions through the genitals, uterus, and pelvis, along with their own mix of brain chemicals. Some women may ejaculate a milky liquid, while others release a larger amount that's more like diluted urine mixed with secretions from the female prostate. Either way, it's normal and not harmful. After sex, women are often more awake and chatty. Why? During orgasm, parts of the brain that regulate emotions switch off, making them fully focused on the experience. Once sex is over, those areas switch back on, and oxytocin, the cuddle hormone, kicks in. Unlike men, women usually don't have a resting gap before they can go again. That means many could jump back in right away, though it might also bring cramps, vaginal dryness, or temporary soreness. Interestingly, breasts may swell by up to 25%, nipples become extra sensitive, and the clitoris actually shrinks at orgasm. Emotionally, women often report feeling more connected, confident, or even giddy afterward, while men, in contrast, are more likely to feel sleepy or a little down. So in short, men are more likely to snooze after sex, thanks to prolactin and oxytocin levels. Women are more likely to stay awake, talk, or be ready for round 2. Both experience powerful physical changes and floods of brain chemicals that affect mood, energy, and even body shape. So if you and your partner react differently afterward, don't worry, it's not a mismatch, it's just biology doing its thing. Ultimately, what goes up must come down. That's all for today. I will be making similar videos in the future. Subscribe to see them.